Welcome to Lucid Info Systems. Now we are going to discuss about Apex triggers. Apex triggers is used to perform tasks when that can't be done by using of point and click tools in Salesforce. So Apex that enables you to perform custom actions that you define for certain events like before or after insertion, updation or deletion events. So we'll be having a syntax for that. Trigger is trigger name, on which object we are going to write the trigger, and for which event we are going to write that logic. And now we are going to have a requirement for that trigger. So our requirement is, we'll be having a record, accounts record. In this we'll be having a phone number for account. If we changes the account number over here, that could be reflected in account contacts also. So if we changes the phone over over here, so that related contacts phone number will be saved. So how to write a logic for this? We are going to write that. So we'll be having two ways to create a trigger. One is setup, develop, and Apex triggers. With using of this, you can write a trigger, and we'll be having one more thing. We can customize that account object. In that, we'll be having a triggers option. We can directly write a trigger from here. We are going to write a trigger. In this, so we are going to write a trigger like trigger that trigger name on account object after the record creation. Like when we updated the record, then that is going to, this trigger is going to fire. So we are going to list the new records in trigger.new context variable, and we are iterating those updated records. So we are going to get, or we are going to fetch the list of contacts which are relating to that context variable, like updated records. So we are going to fetch that, select phone from contacts where account ID that is related to this account. Okay, so we are going to get all the list of contacts related to that, and we are going to iterate those list of contacts, and we are assigning that contact phone number with account phone number. We are going to update all the contact list, and we are going to save this trigger. Now we are going to have, or we are going to check, is that working fine for us or not. We are going to edit this record, and we are going to update this record. I'm going to give this as 555. I'm going to save this. Is that affecting that contacts or not? We are going to check now. That's working fine, right? So in this way we are going to create the trigger. Thanks for the interest in Lucid. You can contact us if with using of this email. Thanks a lot.